Do you often wake up in the morning feeling tired, stiff, or bloated in the morning? Chronic inflammation could be affecting your energy levels, your metabolism, as well as your overall health. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step nighttime routine to help lower your inflammation. And as a bonus, I'm going to share with you a powerful 1 cup nighttime drink that is going to lower your inflammation while you sleep. So watch this video till the end so you do not miss this magical drink that is going to lower your inflammation in the night for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a board certified family physician with advanced training in functional medicine and integrative medicine. I have seen thousands of patients with various chronic medical issues. The underlying issue with all of these chronic diseases is inflammation. It is very important to lower this inflammation as it is going to help you to lose weight, improve your energy levels, reduce your brain fog, improve your mood, as well as also improve your gut and also bloating issues. And the good part is that you can reduce inflammation all naturally without taking any medicines. So let me share with you this perfect nighttime routine, and then as I promised in the end, I'm going to share with you this bonus 1 cup drink to lower inflammation in the night. So your nighttime routine actually gets started with your dinner. So first thing you need to remember is that you have to eat dinner at least 2 hours before you go to the bedtime. An early dinner is going to be even better. If you can finish your dinner by 7 p.m., that will be really good for you. What you eat into dinner also matters a lot. Especially for your dinner, if you have a light meal, that will be really helpful. So stay away from any processed food, sugary food, too much fried food or spicy food because they all increase inflammation levels in your body. It is very important to eat vegetables in your dinner time because all of these colorful vegetables have antioxidants which supports your hormones and also help your body to function better. So make sure that half of your dinner plate is cooked vegetables. Then after that, it is very important to include good quality protein, which can be either your chicken or fish. If you're a vegan or vegetarian, you might have to rely on your lentils, legumes, or nuts and seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds, or walnuts. Try to avoid grains for your dinner meals because they are really difficult to digest and again can increase inflammation in the night. So this is the first step of working on an anti-inflammatory dinner. After you have finished your dinner, I will recommend you to have 10 to 15 minutes of a body movement exercise. I do not want any vigorous exercise, so just going for a 10 to 15 minute walk in the house itself is also fine. But that will help you in improving your digestion as well as also help your body to assimilate and absorb all the nutrients from your dinner meal. Then you need to work on your digital detox. That means no screen time at least 1 hour before you go to your bed. The reason being this blue light coming from all the screens from your mobile phones, from your laptops, or even from your TV messes up with your sleep hormone, the melatonin. And that causes improper sleep and also affects your inflammation levels. So make sure you switch off all of these devices 1 hour before you go to bed. And then 1 hour before you sleep, you have to drink this magical drink, which I'm going to share with you right now, that is going to help you reduce inflammation levels in the night while you are sleeping and wake up in the morning fresh with a lot of energy and no bloating and no inflammation in the body. Let me share with you the ingredients of this drink and then tell you exactly how to prepare it. The first ingredient you need for this drink is chamomile tea. The chamomile tea is really relaxing for your nervous system. It helps promote deep sleep in your body as well as reduces inflammation. The second ingredient over here is coconut milk. Coconut milk has really good fatty acids. These essential fatty acids will help you regulate your sleep hormones as well as neurotransmitters in your brain while you sleep. The third ingredient is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is anti-inflammatory and you know that it can help you lower inflammation in your body. The last ingredient over here is either small amount of raw honey or your stevia as a sweetener. Now, how to prepare this drink? So to prepare this drink, you need to heat half a cup of water. Then you need to switch off the flame. And then after that, you add your chamomile tea back to it. Let the chamomile tea bag seep into the water for 5 to 7 minutes. After that, you can remove the bag. And then after that, you can take a saucepan and you can add half a cup of coconut milk into it. Do not boil coconut milk because it is going to destroy all the good fatty acids. You just have to heat it a little bit, add your chamomile tea into it, as well as add a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into it. When it is all mixed together, you switch off the flame and pour it into a cup. As an addition, you can add a half a teaspoon of ghee or coconut oil on top of it. That will again give you some good fatty acids. In the end is where you can add a half a teaspoon of raw honey into it or stevia as a sweetener into it. And then after that, you can sip this drink very slowly in the next 5 to 10 minutes. So this 1 cup drink is going to help you reduce inflammation in the night time for you. It is very important to consume this drink 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime and not at bedtime, so that all the ingredients are absorbed into your system and start working in your body. So this drink 30 to 60 minutes before your bedtime is going to help you reduce inflammation in the night time for you. Now, just before you are going to bed, it is always nice to do a 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing exercises or relaxation exercises like meditation. That is again going to help you improve your REM sleep and deep sleep. That is going to help you improve your inflammation levels in the morning also. By following this simple nighttime routine, you can significantly reduce inflammation, support your body's healing process, as well as wake up in the morning feeling more energized and refreshed. Let me first know in the comment section, are you currently dealing with any kind of symptoms of inflammation in the morning when you wake up? And also, try this nighttime routine, especially this 1 cup drink, and let me know if that improved your symptoms or not. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this great information in the future also, and share this video with others who can benefit from this great information too. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.